How to fix ntosknl.exe BSOD error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Corrupted or failing RAM can cause ntosknl.exe BSOD errors. Running the memory diagnostic tool helps identify memory issues. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. Your computer will restart, and the memory diagnostic will run. After completion, the computer will restart again, and the test results will be displayed after logging in. If that didn't work, corrupt system files can trigger BSOD errors. You can address this by running specific commands on elevated command prompt. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work, outdated or incompatible drivers can cause BSOD errors. Ensuring your drivers are up to date or reinstalling problematic drivers can help. If that didn't work, a failing hard drive or bad sectors can cause the ntosknl.exe error. Running chkdsk will scan your disk for errors and repair them. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work,